There is now a battle royale in Jammu and Kashmir over admission to the Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Institute of Medical Excellence. So of the 50 seats that have been allocated to Vaishno Devi Institute, 42 on merit have been taken by Muslim students from Kashmir. The remaining 8, 7 to Hindus and 1 to Sikh from Jammu. Now some devotees and some in the state BJP, they're up in arms saying the institute is run by donation that is given by Hindu pilgrims of Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine and should educate Hindu students on priority. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah hit back saying, words to the effect, if Muslims are hounded out of these institutions, then don't be surprised if they land up in places like Al-Falah. What is the implication? We discuss, but first this report on the arrests that have happened so far in this case and the controversy over admissions. Listen in.
The Red Fort blast probe now points to a sinister hospital terror network. From Al-Falah Hospital, ward boy Soeb emerges as a key facilitator. Sources close to the investigation allege he gave shelter, phones and safe houses and cover to suicide bomber Dr. Umar An-Nabi. And now this terror trail has triggered a political storm.
कल को फिर वो अगर किसी और इंस्टीट्यूशन में चले जाएं जहां पे फिर वो रेडिकलाइज हो जाएं, इसके लिए फिर कौन सुनील शर्मा साहब कहेंगे कि वो कसूरवार हैं।
From Al-Falah, the row has reached Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah sparked a fiery debate on faith, admissions and radicalization. While challenging protests over Muslim admissions at Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Institute of Medical Excellence, he said that if Muslims are blocked here, then don't accuse them of being radicalized elsewhere.
फरीदाबाद की यूनिवर्सिटी में बच्चों ने एडमिशन हासिल किया तो क्या पूछा इन्होंने कि ऐसी जगहों में ये जाते क्यों हैं, इन जगहों में ये जाते क्यों हैं जहां पे ये रेडिकलाइज हो जाते हैं। अब आप उनका मजहब देख के उनको एडमिशन डिनाई करना चाहते हो, कल को फिर वो अगर किसी और इंस्टीट्यूशन में चले जाएं जहां पे फिर वो रेडिकलाइज हो जाएं, इसके लिए फिर कौन सुनील शर्मा साहब कहेंगे कि वो कसूरवार हैं।
His remarks ignited instant backlash.
वो इस डिबेट को अपने उस कोर नैरेटिव पे लाना चाहते हैं, जिस कोर नैरेटिव में वो मुस्लिम समुदाय के बच्चों को प्रोवोक करते हैं रेडिकलाइजेशन के लिए, सेपरेटिज्म के लिए, एंटी नेशनलिज्म के लिए। क्या वो जस्टिफाई दिल्ली के रेड फोर्ट ब्लास्ट को कर रहे थे क्या कि भाई वहाँ से कोई डॉक्टर बन के आएगा, वो कोई भी गलत काम करेगा।
What began as a terror investigation in Delhi has now spiraled into a political flashpoint in Kashmir. From hospital corridors at Al-Falah to the political landscape of Kashmir, this probe has sparked a debate on faith, education and radicalization. With Arvind Ojha, Bureau Report, India Today.